So yeah, there's always been some dumbass sibling rivalry in this collective that I'm speaking to. Everyone knows you're the one that held the fort down. But for some reason, this sibling who always had insecurities, they were always the problem child. But they want to act like they don't know that. And they feel like they deserve everything. The truth is, your parents, whoever it is that transitioned or family member, they had a secret like thing that they did that you didn't even know. And they were like, this is awarded to XYZ. And yes, the spirit realm too is awarding you. Oh, look, because they know you need a hug. They know you've been through so much. You've kept your head up high and